Good day, everybody. Jason with Learn to Survive. Hope you're all doing well. Sorry about the delay in videos. We got cold here extremely early, and I wasn't totally done with the winterization of the house. I had to do that. Also had a death in the family and some other personal issues that I might talk about in an upcoming video because it's a good topic for survival and preppers. Now, that's not the point of this video today. This video is got a package a few days ago in the mail. There's no return address on it, so I have no clue to who it's from or anything. It does say right here, can open and it says can open and read on video. So let's take a look at what's inside, shall we? Been wanting to tear into this for a few days. I'm a curious person. I don't know if it's from a subscriber to my channel or what, because there is no return address. So there's a letter, and I kind of already see one of the things in there. Okay, I already know who it's from. Jason, my oldest friend. Hope this letter finds you well. It's been about a month now since we last talked. It's been busy and rough up here. Already had a F-ton of snow for this time of year. Very early. Was not ready for the damn snowstorm. Lost a few head of cows. Been putting in long days getting ready for a rougher than normal winter. Anyways, it's been a strange year with this sickness going on. I missed having you up here for a week or two and going fishing, having a few drinks, and smoking around the fire. I had planned to give you what's in the box when you came up here, but alas, I couldn't. So this is it. Happy birthday. The Buck 119, what can I say? I got this to replace the one you gave me when my family moved after 6 years of friendship. I don't recall a time when we weren't in school that the buck was not on your belt. I still carry the one you gave me every day, but you know that already. I know you never replaced that knife, so I'm now got you one. I got rid of the box and carried it on the ranch for about a week. I did use it once after helping a cow deliver a ass first calf. It cut the cord, so it's been wet. You don't have to worry about that cutting you for about a year. The mower now, that's a different story. You have to worry about that one. The key, I know you don't have one, or you would have talked about it in your videos. And I know you wouldn't spend 11 bucks on one, being a single income family, and you spending what little you have on other people and your kids. You have a big heart and do more for others than you do for yourself. The coffee, well, that's just a bit extra. I plan on having a long Skype chat with you, drinking coffee and shooting the bull. Well, my friend, I hope 2021 is better and you can make it up here. It's been a rough year. Santa's been gone 3 years. And has been rough without her or friends like you around. Take care of yourself. See you soon, my friend. Miklos. Miklos is a kid I went to school. Well, he's not a kid anymore. Somebody I went to school with. His parents came here from the Czechoslovakia, and me and him became good friends, and we've always stayed in touch and always talk and email and video chat. And so this was kind of a birthday gift. So he got me some Starbucks espresso roast coffee. He speaks good English, but writing is another story in itself when it comes to him. Oh, wow. Yeah. A buck 119, fixed blade knife. I love the buck 119. Like the letter said, about 10 years old. Walked to in the town where I lived. I lived outside of town. I lived about 5 miles outside of the little town, and went to the hardware store and bought one when I was about 10 years old, and carried that thing all the time. Yeah. Wow. Give us a little better look here. I love more knives. So he got me a little Eldris knife with the fire starter kit and lanyard. Just a little small fixed blade knife. I'm kind of digging that. I've been looking at one of these and been thinking about getting one for a while now. And last but not least, what we got here, he said a key of some sort. Oh, okay. I got it. He got me one of these. I'm definitely going to do a video about this and talk about it because it's definitely something I think everybody should have or something like it. This one happens to be a little bit different. And I know what most of these are for, but not quite sure. I'm going to have to do some research on it because it's a little bit different than what I've seen. Thanks for watching, and I've got a bunch of videos coming up now that things have settled down that I'd like to get to. And I hope you guys have a good day and take care of yourself and take care of one another. And Mick, I just want to say, some of you didn't know about that buck knife I gave you when we was kids, and I know you're watching, and I know you watch my videos. That buck knife I gave you actually field dressed and skinned out my first deer I ever shot. Thank you, my friend. I look forward to talking to you, and I look forward to talking to everybody else here real soon. So I will talk to y'all later.